Duplicate a layer by pressing Ctrl J. Use the polygonal lasso tool to create a flexion around the ground. After completing the selection, apply a layer mask, then unlink the layer and mask by clicking the link icon between them. Select the layer icon and press Ctrl T to activate free transform, then right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Adjust the reflection to achieve the most visually appealing alignment. Press Ctrl G to create a group. Apply a layer mask and unlink it from the layer. Go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Press Ctrl L to adjust the levels of the reflection. Select the group mask and press Ctrl T to transform it, then adjust the reflection mask to match the perspective of the ground. Finally, set the blending mode to overlay. And you're all set. I have created an action for you. All you need to do is duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J, then select the ground area using the lasso tool. Go to Window, select Actions, and run the action command. You're all done. The action file, waterreflection.atn, can be downloaded through the link in the description.